Alrighty, the first thing we're going to do to this is we're going to drop this aftermarket skid plate. We got a bolt here and a couple of clamps back here, and that'll allow us to get the oil to drain out without making a pond inside this skid plate. It has a hole under here for the oil to run out, but it's just not very effective. Did I mention it's been a while since it was changed? It's not too bad. As you can see on my finger here, it's really not that bad. Now in here was this spring and this screen. This screen sits inside the spring like that. And this is the oil pickup screen, so you can clean it every single time you change the oil. And that's the cap that was on there. We'll let that drain for a few minutes. There is no filter on this bike outside of that screen. Make sure you get this started straight. This seals with an O-ring, so when it bottoms out, it's pretty much done. So once it bottoms out right there, give it just a little bit more. That's all it's required. You give it a ton more than that, you'll break that cap. That is the start of a bad day.